Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are on and your Airplay receiver is awake. On iPhone, open Control Center and tap screen mirroring to reveal targets. If you use Airplay 2 or HomePod, sign into the same Apple ID so multi-room playback works reliably. Once done, you'll see available receivers listed. Pick the one you want. This immediate action both discovers devices and primes connections, reducing dropouts later. After selecting a receiver, you control where audio and video stream. On iPhone, tap the Airplay icon inside apps like music or videos to switch output. This isolates app streams while screen mirroring duplicates the display. Make sure to set audio quality and turn on captions if needed. In some apps, those settings affect latency and bandwidth. If you need to mirror with orientation or aspect adjustments, stop and restart mirroring. Toggling often resolves format negotiation between devices. To finish, stop screen mirroring from Control Center or choose iPhone as the output in the app's Airplay menu. If audio or video stutters, reboot the iPhone and receiver, then toggle Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. This resets encrypted sessions and IP assignments. Make sure both devices are on the same network band and that your router doesn't isolate clients. One key troubleshooting tip: if discovery fails, temporarily disable VPNs and network isolation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.